Sum number 9, class 6, exercise 43. 4 centimeter square portion is cut out from a paper 30 centimeter by 20 centimeter. What will be the area of the remaining portion of the paper? So what is the question? Suppose this is a paper. What is the shape of the paper? I told you in the previous video that when measurements are given like this, there are two measurements, not specifically the length and breadth is told, but it is given like this. That means the figure measures 30 centimeter by 20 centimeter, means one is the length and other will be the breadth. So let us take this. So it's a rectangular paper, because the measurements, two measurements are given, one is the length and the other will be the breadth, and opposite sides are equal. So if I take breadth is 20 centimeter, then this is also 20, and length is 30 centimeter, so this is also 30 centimeter. Now the paper is rectangular. Out of that a portion is cut. So you all know that paper cutting is done, or sometimes you need paper, so you cut it out, a portion of the paper. So suppose this much portion is cut. Now what is given? When you cut a paper, a space of the paper is lost, a certain area or space of the paper is lost. That means this part will not be available to you right now. Only this much of paper is available. This is the remaining piece of the paper. So when you cut out a portion, a certain area is lost, and that is given 4 centimeter square. So area of cut out portion is 4 centimeter square. Now I told you that this unit we need to convert into square centimeter. How to read this? It is 4 centimeter whole square. That means 4 centimeter, that is equal to 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. So it is 16. Now you will write centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter. So 16 square centimeter, you are converting, the area was given as centimeter square, you have converted into square centimeter. So how much space is lost? It is 16 square centimeter space is lost due to cutting a portion. Then you have to find what is the area of the remaining figure, remaining paper. So this much is remaining. What is the space or area available to you right now? So how can we do it? If I know the entire area of the piece of paper, from there if I subtract the space lost due to cutout, then I can find the remaining space available. So now I will find area of the paper. So the entire paper was what in shape? Rectangular in shape. So we will write area of rectangular paper is equal to, area is length into breadth. So if this is the length and 20 centimeter is the breadth, so if you multiply, you are getting 600 square centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter means square centimeter. So check, both are in the same unit. Now therefore the original part of the question, area of remaining portion of paper will be 600 square centimeter, the entire space available, minus the portion that you have cut out, minus 16 square centimeter. So if you do, it is giving you 584 square centimeter. So 600 minus 16 you are doing, that is giving you 584 square meters. So I am writing the answer on top. Answer, area of remaining portion is 584 square centimeter, that we have got from deducting the total area of the paper minus the area of cutout portion. Now the next question is sum number 10. Here the question is, what will be the cost of preparing a road of length 12 kilometers and breadth 4 meters at rupees 3.50 per meter. So here also you need to find the cost of preparing the entire road if per meter cost is provided to you. Sorry, per square meter is provided to you, per square meter. So first of all, the road is rectangular, understandable, because the road length is given 12 kilometer and the breadth or the width, how wide the road is, it is provided to you 4 meters. So first step will be conversion of unit, because length and breadth are not given in same unit. So let us convert the length. Length of road equal to 12 kilometer, which is equal to 12 into how much gives you meter. How to convert? So if I draw this metric line, meter, decimeter, hectameter, and you have kilometer. This is the highest unit, kilometer. So if I want to know the conversion, we need to know the relation between kilometer and meter. So I want to change from kilometer, so let us give 1. And how many units I am traveling? So give zeros. So 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Therefore 12 kilometer will be 12 into 1000 meters. So 12,000 meter is the length of the road. Breadth is already given in meter. Four meters. Therefore, when you are constructing the road, it means you are constructing the entire thing. The entire thing means the space. The road means the entire thing, the space, not only the boundaries, but you are constructing the road means the entire space of the road you need to construct, from where the vehicles will travel. So find the area of the road. So it's a rectangular road, so we will multiply length into breadth. That is 12,000 meter into 4 meters, which is equal to ', numbers are multiplied. Now you multiply the units. Meter into meter is square meters. Area always have square units. So area of the road we got. Now we have to find what is the cost of making the road of this much of space. And one information is provided at rupees 3.50 per square meter. Per means 1 square meter of area. So how will we find that? So cost of 1 square meter of road is given, that is rupees 3.50. That means only a portion or only a space of the road to make is 3.50. Then to make the entire road, That means cost of, what is the space of the entire road? 48000, 48,000 square meter of road will be much higher. So you need to multiply. Rupees 3.50 is cost of only preparing the road of this much of space, 1 square meter. Then to make the road of this much space or area will be much more. So that will be equal to rupees 3.50 into 48,000, which is equal to, only multiply first with 35, 48. So it is coming 1680 only by multiplying 48 into 35. So 1680, and then add the number of zeros given. Here there is 1 0 and here there are 3 zeros. So total 4 zeros you will place. So 1680 is just the multiplication of the numbers 35 and 48. And then we got 1680. After that, how many zeros we added in the sum? Only the number of zeros present over here. So 4 zeros. Now we have to place the point. Now in between two numbers, only this number is having a point before 2 decimal place. So here also before 2 decimal place the point will be placed. 0.00 has got no value. That means the construction is taking a money of 168000. So after 168 there will be 3 zeros. That is 1,68,000. So what is your final answer? The cost of making the entire road is rupees 1,68,000. So please practice all these sums that I am doing in the video at home.